In Costa Rica, you'll find an enormous diversity of animals, from colorful birds to impressive predators. In this video, we're going to show you which animals you can spot in Costa Rica and where to find them, of which the last one definitely deserves your attention. We start our journey in Tortuguero National Park, where you can navigate through the canals by boat to reach a lodge. Here, you have the best chance of spotting sloths. These slow and adorable animals usually hang high in the trees where they sleep, eat, and reproduce. There are two types of sloths in Costa Rica, the two-toed and three-toed sloth. They can be recognized by their long claws, furry coat, and friendly face. Sloths are active both day and night, but they move very little. They only come down once a week to relieve themselves. Sloths are not very picky about their habitat, so you can encounter them in almost every part of the country. Next up, the cayman. This is a type of crocodile that lives in rivers, lakes, and swamps. Caymans are usually smaller than crocodiles, but they have a stronger bite. They mainly prey on fish, reptiles, birds, and small mammals. Caymans are primarily active at night, but you can also see them sunbathing on the shores during the day. Caymans are not very aggressive, but you should keep your distance and not disturb them. They mainly live in the mangrove forests of the lowland rainforests, such as Tortuguero National Park and Cano Negro National Park. You can increase your chances of seeing caymans by taking a boat trip through the mangrove forests, where you can see them in all shapes and sizes. If you love birds, then Costa Rica is a paradise for you. There are more than 800 species of birds in this country, some of which are found only here. One of the most striking and popular birds is the macaw. This is a large and colorful parrot that lives in pairs or groups. Macaws have a long tail, a curved beak, and a loud voice. They mainly eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. Macaws are threatened by habitat loss and illegal trade, but there are still some places where you can see them in the wild. The best places to spot macaws are also Tortuguero National Park and Cano Negro National Park. Another bird you shouldn't miss in Costa Rica is the toucan. This is a medium-sized bird with a huge and colorful beak. Toucans use their beak to pick fruits, catch insects, and communicate. Toucans live in small groups in the treetops. They are very noisy and social. There are 6 species of toucans in Costa Rica, the most famous and common being the chestnut-mandibled toucan. You can see toucans in almost every part of the country, but the best places to spot them are Manzanillo near Puerto Viejo or Cahuita National Park. We are now leaving the rainforest and heading to the coast, where you can see a completely different type of animal, sea turtles. These majestic and ancient animals come to the beaches of Costa Rica every year to lay their eggs. There are 4 species of sea turtles that nest in Costa Rica: the leatherback turtle, the green turtle, the hawksbill turtle, and the olive ridley turtle. They all have different seasons, sizes, and beach preferences. It is an unforgettable experience to see the sea turtles arrive, dig their nests, lay their eggs, and return to the sea. It is also possible to see the baby turtles hatch and make their way to the water. You must be respectful and careful with the sea turtles, as they are very vulnerable and endangered. The best places to see sea turtles are Barapacuare, Gandoca Manzanillo, Playa Grande, and Playa Ostional. Another marine animal you can see in Costa Rica is the humpback whale. This is one of the largest and most impressive animals in the world. Humpback whales can grow up to 15 meters long and weigh 40 tons. Costa Rica has the longest whale watching season in the world. That's because there are as many as 2 whale watching seasons. From late July to November, you can spot humpback whales coming from South America. They swim in large numbers from the South Pole to Costa Rica, covering impressive distances. During this period, you have the best chance of spotting whales, especially between August and October. The best places in Costa Rica to spot whales are Uvita and Puerto Jimenez, where you can enjoy boat trips, snorkeling, and other activities to admire the whales. Back to the land, where we want to show you 2 more types of animals, including the Capuchin monkeys. There are many species of monkeys to discover in Costa Rica, but this is my personal favorite. Capuchin monkeys are small and intelligent monkeys that live in large groups. They have a black fur, a white head, and a long tail. They mainly eat fruits, insects, and small animals. Capuchin monkeys are very curious and mischievous. They can sometimes steal your belongings or eat your food. Capuchin monkeys are one of the 4 species of monkeys that live in Costa Rica, alongside howler monkeys, spider monkeys, and squirrel monkeys. You can see capuchin monkeys in many parts of the country, but the best place to spot them is in Manuel Antonio National Park, and then, in my opinion, the most impressive animal of all, the jaguar. Jaguars are the largest and strongest cats in America. They have a muscular body, powerful jaws, and a spotted coat. They mainly prey on deer, tapirs, peccaries, and turtles. Jaguars are very shy and solitary. They are also very rare and endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, so it is very difficult to see a jaguar in the wild. But if you are very lucky, you might encounter one in Corcovado National Park, Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve, or Selva Biological Station. We hope you enjoyed it and are inspired to travel to this beautiful country yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about the wonders of the world. Thanks for watching and see you next time.